Yo, hey man, say man, how's your day, man? It's Very Trader GDO coming out with another video, man. Let's go ahead and get off into this. In these charts, I ain't about to waste y'all time because I don't want you wasting mine. Y'all want to know how to trade? I'm about to teach you how to get paid. Oh, yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get off into this, man. This morning, man, real simple video. Before market opens, we're just gonna go ahead and go through how to set up your chart, how to mark everything, how to prepare for the morning. What am I looking at? What am I looking for exactly? Let's go ahead and remove all that. All right. So as we can see, we see price action right now. We're low-key kind of not consolidating, but in a sense, we are consolidating. You know what I'm saying? We're stuck in that little range right there. All right. So what I'm doing when I come into the market off the rip is I'm going to my daily. I know we got some weeklies down here somewhere, but I'm not necessarily worried about them right now. Because again, relevancy, what's in the relevant area, what internals are relevant. So as I said yesterday, the same internals are still at play. This guy is still at play. As you can see, he was respected by this price action. We have this daily internal. 1, 2, 3, opening between the first and the third, opening between the first and the third. We have this internal 1, 2, 3, opening between the first and the third. Okay, so pretty much for the daily time frame, we are set. All right. Then we go down to the 4 hour, see what's around, see what can probably get us into some trouble. What price is most likely going to react off. I'm going to take all these 1 hours and 2 hours. Remember, everything for me is color coordinated. So we have this guy. Okay, cool. Even more relevant than that guy would be this guy. Okay. So I can mark the 4 hour because I think the next 4 hour candle closed at 10. So I can mark the 4 hour. Mark him anywhere 4 hour, probably mark this guy up here. And then I think that's pretty much it. You got this guy, but I'm gonna leave him alone. Like, you got him right here. Like, you got him, that's an inversion. Not really an inversion, he's still just a fair value gap for real. I'm gonna leave him right there for now. Just because we still have a couple hours before 9:30 open. You know what I'm saying? Like an hour 50 something or around 40 something. So we got the 4 hour, we got the 2 hour. Look to see where the 2 hour internals are. We got this guy right here, but I don't know if I'm too much. I probably will put him right there, being that he's right at the edge of this daily, right? And I think I had him there already. We have this 2 hour inside of this, right? We got that 2 hour. I'm gonna leave that guy alone. I ain't messing with him. All right, so and then we go to the 1 hour. What is price most likely to come in contact with? You got an hour and an hour. So what I'm gonna do is put an hour right here. All right. All right, boom. All right, we got a little hour right here. I'm not gonna mark that because there's no need to. All right, so we have all our internals that price could possibly come in contact with. And then when 9:30, well, 9 o'clock, 9:20 come, I'll come and then revise that and see where price action is, what it's reacting off of, and maybe make some changes based off that. Because as you've seen earlier, there were some internals that were there, but there's no point. Because, like, again, like I said before, the more you get into your trading, the more you do this, you're going to find your sauce and you're going to like what you like. I never really liked having all that stuff on my chart. But when it comes to these internals, it is necessary because, as I've just shown you, look how price is reacting to them. It's not rocket science, man. Price is reacting off these. Every time you see a reaction off the market, it's because of what? It hitting an internal. So there's not much to really discuss or debate about whether or not price action reacts off of internals or externals. You guys see it every day on my charts, okay? And then, so it's a little early to be doing this, but this is usually what I do, okay? Once I mark my internals, I come to the 5 minute, and then what I do is I mark the external highs. It's really early to be doing this, but I'm gonna do it just for the sake of the video. All right. And then this guy, and then this guy. All right. So those are my external highs that I will be targeting if price wanted to go that way. I'm gonna give this a little space since we got so much time before 9:30. And these are my external lows. My lows, you know, my draws liquidity to the downside that I would expect price to go after. And really, man, that's about it. I mean, if we get past that, then we're definitely gonna come, because there's nothing else here. You get what I'm saying? So those are all my draws liquidity to the downside that I'm expecting price to get. Even if we break to the downside, get him, and then go back up, we would be targeting these guys, okay? So that's how it works. That's how I'm able to catch those trades that I do. Let me make sure I can. And then again, with these externals, man, when you look to the right, because it's color coordinated, you have all of them right here. So it's never a reason to be stressed in the market, because you have everything right here to the side. Like, you see where they are, and you could set your take profit based off that, okay? You're looking at me wondering, like, why are you going way to the left? Because it matters. It matters. Don't think that the stuff over here doesn't matter, guys. That's the biggest mistake you can make. It definitely matters, okay? Because as you can see from yesterday's video, man, the price hit damn near all the external highs that I had marked out. I got out with like 84 points, man. The trade itself went about 200, bro. It was ridiculous. So, yeah, man, it definitely matters, man. Take it from somebody who's been trading for a minute. Consistently. Consistently for a minute. No breaks, okay? Yeah. And that's what I'm looking like for today, man, when it comes to these external lows, okay? That's what I'm looking at. We're going to look at these internals one more time to make sure that we have everything marked out that we need. 444. Okay, cool. So all the way from this area down, there's no 4-hour internal. So everything's balanced on the 4-hour time frame, meaning there's nothing to stop price if we start going down that way. We have a 2-hour, but once we get past that 2-hour, I guess you can have a 2-hour right here. Right, okay. Which most likely price will touch this guy and maybe wick this guy. All right. So, and then of course we're gonna see what the 1-hour looks like, because I know that's not balanced. Oof, Lord. Jesus, boy. You got this inversion right here. So inversions, fair value gaps, and gaps are all internals, okay? So when I say internal, I'm referring to these inversions, these gaps, these fair value gaps, okay? So inverted fair value gap is just the fair value gap that has been played through, displaced through. And it's been displaced through twice, really. We went down, then we came back up. But for the sake, I'm going to keep it there for now. When 9:30 comes, I may move it. But yeah, that's what I do, man. They matter. I'm telling you, they matter and they matter. That's all I'm saying. These internals definitely matter. I've been doing this long enough, I'm telling you. So this is an inversion because price has displaced through it, right? And actually started trading up that way. As you can see, man, what price is doing, we came here, touched this 4-hour, touched this 2-hour, now we're starting to go up that way. Internal, external. And I could really go in depth in that. If you guys want a video, just let me know in the comments. Right? So, because right now, every time frame again, and I can show you right here in this video, every time frame has 2 objectives, internal and external. So you see me marking the externals, but this isn't in regard to breakup structures. This is just me marking the externals for draws of liquidity. Now, when it comes to internal and external, this is the external high. this is the external low on the 4 hour. Well, this is a 4 hour internal, so what you expect after price come in contact with the 4 hour internal, it goes for the external, okay? And then extends and then retraces and do the same thing until it flips. Then when you go to the 2 hour, you have an external low right here, you have an external high right here, okay? So we come in contact with the 2 hour external, external high, low, external high for the 2 hour. We come in contact with the 2 hour internal, and then on a lower time frame, we're breaking structure to go to the 2 hour external high. Okay. External low, external high right here. Okay. Can't make contact with the hour internal, which will look like this. Right? Can make contact with the hour internal, and now we're going to the external high. That will look like this. Oh, it's already there. That will look like that. So that's literally all price is doing. Again, I've been doing this for 7 years, so I heard a dude say like the success of a trader is based upon their ability to adapt to the market conditions. Okay, so for me, these past 3 months, I've had to kind of adapt and visit older things, and not really like older things as if it's outdated, but just things I just no longer felt it was useful to me, and now I'm using it again. Right, you see me having these things. I stopped putting all these there because I hate having a lot of stuff on my screen, but it's been helping me and allowing me to stay in my trades longer. It's been allowing me to confirm the direction of the market, and as you can see from that, the results have been great. So that's how you set up your morning. That's how you set up for the morning, guys. That's how you set up for New York opening. Really, a lot of this may be gone by then because again, we're at 7. It's about to be 8 o'clock soon. You still got an hour and 30 once 8 o'clock gets here. So that's a long time. 8:30 could be on some crazy stuff. A lot can happen. So when I come back, all this stuff may be gone. It may be changed. We may be up here, which would be very good. Actually, I would love that if we were up here. And none of this would matter really. Okay, we would have more of these. So. Hey man, say man, I know you're having a good day, man. It's your favorite trader Gio coming out with another video. If you want to learn how to trade like this, visit neverquitexceed.com. Become a Profit Titan, join the Discord, become family of like-minded people. Iron sharpens iron, man. Y'all have a good day, man. Yes, sir.